The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work, but all I do is make you worse. The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. Don't you wanna come on over? Don't you wanna work it out?
Welcome back, guys. Today we're here with a Nadula here once more. This is everything that I got in the package. Alright, so I got the tote bag. You guys know this gorgeous iridescent tote bag that they always send. I also got me another robe. It's not a Nadula package if you don't get a robe, okay? So this is the packaging. Of course, we have a drawstring bag that's branded. And then the wig, which we're gonna get into. All right, we got the goodies, so let's get into the goodies, okay? All right, so I got a pair of HD wig caps, a branded Nadula elastic headband, and I also got one more of those. So there's another pair of HD wig caps, another branded elastic headband, and I got this in my previous Nadula package. I got this gorgeous set of burgundy press-ons. So I'm happy about this. Gonna add this to my collection again, because what? The more the merrier. So yeah, that's everything for goodies. Now let's get into the wig. So this is the wig we're working with for today, guys. This is a gorgeous Yaki straight texture wig. It's 24 inches long, but guess what? This is a pre-everything 13x4 lace front wig. It's glueless. Yes, it's new and it's upgraded. This is a gorgeous transparent 13x4 lace front glueless wig. As I said, they sent some transparent tapes for the side. This is what keeps the sides down really nicely, so you don't need any adhesive for this. All you need are the tapes, and you could use, if you don't want to use the tapes, you could use like a spray to hold it down, because you know it's from ear to ear. But it's really easy, very beginner friendly, and it comes pre-plucked, pre-cut, pre-bleached. Everything is done for you already, so you don't have to go through the hassle of customizing it any further. It is very full. It's a natural 1B color. You could feel free to go ahead and style this too. You could get nice half up, half downs. You could even braid it in the front, like everywhere where there's lace. As you can see, it's a free part, and it's 13x4 from ear to ear. So I think that's great. You have a decent amount of space to work with. I mean, even though it's not deep, it's not like a deep part, but you still can work with the space that it has, and it looks very realistic. So I love that. It's very full to the tip, and it looks so thick and healthy. I always love a good Yaki straight or Yaki textured hair. Like, it is just beautiful, and it comes off so realistic. So I love that. Perfect for my girlies who don't want to spend all day on their hair, but they want to look super cute. Yeah, so let's go ahead and jump into this quick and easy installation. The inside, they actually put this adjustable elastic band inside, so you can adjust it to how tight or loose you want it. And this is really what helps, one of the main things that help with the security of the wig on your head. And then there are these adjustable straps in the back, which I already adjusted. I usually crisscross it in the back, so it keeps the wig very nice and snug on my head. And there's also this comb on the very back of the cap. This keeps it very secure to the back of your head, and I love using this comb. Yeah, that's the only comb that's in the cap, and I think that's fine. So yeah, pretty simple standard cap construction, very professionally done. Looks great. So now I'm going to just go ahead and slip this on.
The truth is a damn hard pill to swallow. I'm reaching out, but all I feel is hollow. I wanna make you work.
Alright, so this is how it looks once I slip it on. It's very snugged, guys. Like, look at this. It's not slipping. It is not slipping, and I absolutely love that. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do, if you can see, you see that there's a bit of a cast, right? So before I move any further to do anything, I'm gonna cut away the cast that you're seeing right across the hairline, because there's absolutely no hair on this portion as well, so you don't have to worry. Just be careful, like, to not cut away any of the portion that the hair is actually on, unless you want to cut it down. So you see, that really helped a ton. That really helped a lot with minimizing the casty look. So as I said, they attached the tapes on the side. All you need to do is remove the blue portion, and then you're gonna go ahead and stick it on the ear, like the ear portion, and then you just press it. Just keep on pressing it into place for maybe like a minute, and this is what keeps the sides nice and secure. That's it. No glue, no spray. All right, so the little cast that you're seeing, we're gonna fix that in a few, but it looks so good already. I absolutely love that. So that's literally how that is, literally, and it's very secure, by the way. You don't have to worry about the sides coming up easily. So once I'm done with that, as I said, there is just a teeny bit of cast left. You just take your face powder and you pat over that area gently to help to just cancel out the casty look. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna run through this with my flat iron. I'm also going to flatten the top more with my hot comb. So in terms of shedding, I am getting minimal shedding, a few strands once I run my hands through it. I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I did get a few strands. So please note that there is shedding. All right, but it feels really good though. It feels so nice and natural. That's a vibe. So get a little bit of my wax stick, and remember, let me show you, you can go ahead and part this wherever you please. You see that? It's giving scalp, right? So the spacing minimizes a little, like once you come more to the sides, it's not as much space as it is in the middle. But you could go ahead and do like a nice little braided style in the middle, with it being glueless still. Like, so amazing, right? So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is get to straightening the wig right throughout. And I love how natural the lace looks. Like, you don't have to go in and mark it any further with any concealer or powder. It looks really natural. I love that. You see how nice and flat that's laying? Now all I need to do is go over it with my flat iron. Okay, I'm gonna be sure, as you guys know, I always do this. I always put the specification in the description box, so please go ahead and check that out so you can, you know, be certain about the specs. So yeah, the density, the length, everything will be listed, the link, all of that. This is literally it after I'm all done with flat ironing the entire wig. Guys, it's like butter. I don't know. Something about these textures are just so easy to work with. And like, you should definitely explore. If you've never tried, I feel like you'd fall in love. Like, it's just a really easy texture to work with. And it's very realistic looking. Very realistic looking. Like, remember, completely glueless. Absolutely love it. It's so snugged on my head. Everything looks really natural, and you don't have to worry about it like pressuring your edges. Like, it's laid, everything looks together. Like, what more could you ask for? It's amazing. Like, you save your edges while still wearing a really slayed wig look. Like, it's well installed. So convenient, so convenient. So yeah, this is it for today's wig look. Super easy, super to the point. It's very versatile because remember I told you could go ahead and you could get multiple styles from this you know, full-on lace front glueless wig. Nadula did their thing. I can't lie, like, they did their thing. So yeah, I'm gonna be sure to drop the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please check it if you're interested in getting this wig for yourself or somebody else. If you want to, you know, get it as a gift for somebody, go ahead and check out my description box. Also, the specifications are listed as I said before. Any deals available, that will be listed. Shout out to the Nadula once more. That's it for today's wig look, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.